Hello friends, good evening. My name is Shubham Gudiwal and as my today's topic is static variable in Java. What is static variable? First of all, static variable in a variable which belongs to the class and initialize only once at the start of the execution. It is a variable which belongs to the class and not a object instance. Static are initialized only once at the start of the execution. This variable will be the initialized first before the installations of any instance variable. Okay. First, a single copy to the share by all instance of the class. A static variable can access directly by the class name of does not any object. Okay. Syntax: class name dot variable name. It is a simple syntax of uh, static method. What is static method in Java? Static method in Java is a method is a belong to the class, not to the object. A static method can access only static data. It is a method which belongs to the class and not to the object instance. Okay. A static methods can access only static data, cannot access a static data instance variable, and locally variable is also not accept access. uh, Access modifier, and a static method is also non-access modifier. It is a static method can call only other static method, cannot all non-static method from it. Okay. A static method can be accessed directly by the uh, class name and does not need any object. Okay. uh, Third one is a static method cannot data these or super keyword anyway. Okay. And the syntax class name and dot method name. It is a simple syntax. Let's example to call the static variable methods. Okay, simple example for me. I explain that you will copy following code. uh, Step public class demo. Okay. Public static void main string args students s1 equals to new students. These are create a object. S1 show data student s2 equals to new students 2. Student is a second object create and one methods one methods to create two objects and is to show data. Okay. And then class class student int a initialize. Okay. Static int b and initialize 0 by class. Okay. Student constructor in initiating a static variable b, and that a b plus plus. Public void show data. System.println volume of a equals to plus a. Okay. And then system.println value of b equals to plus b. Public static void increment. Okay. And then the what is static block in Java? The static block is a block of statement inside of Java class that will be executed when a class first and loaded into the JVM. A static method helps initialize a static data members, just like constructor help to instance numbers. An example: uh, class test static and code goes here. Okay. It is a syntax and Example, public class demo. Okay, static int a is a static variable, and static int b also static variable, and static a equals to b 20, b equals a equals to 10, sorry, and b equals to 20. And then main method, public static void main string arguments. Okay, and sop system.println value of a equals to double quote and plus a, system dot in println double quote value of b double quote close and equals to plus b. It is a example. And then output is a value of a equals to 10 and value of b equals to 20. Okay, and let's friends, thank you.